Go.
Step one, we take it out of the box. Step two, we paint it.
Go.
Step three, time to put on the jewels. The jewels is about to go on, and it's perfect.
Go.
Step four, build it. Can you put this in?
Go.
Step four, build it.
That was, and she was so nice, you know. Right through this
Good job. Go.
Then we put some string on it, and that's how we roll